In this video, I'm going to be teaching us how to get free copyright images from Google. And the most exciting thing about using this method is that apart from getting your free copyright images from Google, it also helps you to know about other sites that you can get free images from. Apart from the normal Pixabay or Pixel that we all know, there are still other sites that you can generate free images from. So without wasting much of your time, my name is Olabisi Ashishana, and on this channel I share tips, strategies and opportunities you can leverage on to make money online. And if content like this interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel. And if you are just come to my channel for the first time, I want to say you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you very much. Thank you for always supporting this channel. I do not take you for granted. So now, without wasting much of your time, let's head over to our Google. So we're here on Google. Let me type in okay, fitness, or let me say yoga. So once you're here, you want to go to images. Okay, so we can see different images, right? But the thing is, you can't use all these images. You want to be careful, right? So you want to come here to tools. These tools, click on it. Once you click on the tools, you can see usage rights. Click on this usage rights. You have to drop down. You have the commercial and the license. You have Creative Commons license. So you want to click on Creative Commons license. So here are all the free images you can use, right? Now here you can see Pixel. You can see Pixel. You can see this is another website. Wikimedia Commons, this is another website. You can see Flickr. You can see other Feel Good Pal, different other websites that you don't really know about that, Okay, now let's click on this. You can see it here. You can see that there are still other pictures. You can see there are still other pictures, and if you don't like this one, you can still explore, right? See Free Range Stock. This is another website. So it exposes you to other websites you are not aware about, and you can also use them to get amazing pictures. We all know Pixabay, we all know Pixels, and at times when you go there and you type in something, it does not pop up, right? You say there is no image for this. So you can also explore these other websites. Do you understand? So if you got value from this video, do well to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much, and God bless you.